In the next 58 seconds, I'm going to tell you the truth about the stock market that most people learn 20 years too late. Ready? Most people try to get rich trading stocks by chasing the hype. They follow random tips, buy what's trending, and panic. And that's why 90% of traders lose money. But the top traders play a completely different game. They follow these 3 rules. Rule number 1, never lose big. Protect your capital. One big trade should never destroy your account. Rule number 2, have a system. Professionals don't gamble. Every trade has a plan, a risk limit, and an exit. Rule number 3 is think in years, not in days. Real wealth comes from stacking smart decisions over time. Do this long enough and something crazy will happen. Your money will start working harder than you do. One day, your investments can replace your paycheck. And the job that you once needed becomes optional. Not because you got lucky, but because you finally learned how the game actually works.